Welcome to Bright's Market Minutes. I'm Dr. Lisa Sturdivant, Chief Economist here at Bright MLS. It's summertime and the Mid-Atlantic housing market is heating up. Despite higher mortgage rates, the market continues to defy expectations. So what should we be watching? First, let's start with inventory. Buyers have gotten a little bit of relief during the spring as the number of homes on the market had started to increase, but that trend has reversed and the number of active listings on the market is down 11% compared to a year ago here in the Bright footprint. We've hit a record low in terms of inventory, and that low inventory has continued to put upward pressure on prices, with many local markets hitting new record highs this month. Second, let's talk more about those buyers. Overall, closed sales and new pending sales continue to track below last year's levels, and showing activity is also down. But the gap between this year and last year is narrowing, indicating that buyer demand likely will stay strong through the summer. The big limitation is still a lack of inventory. Buyers need to act quickly. The median days on market was 7 in June, meaning that half of all homes sold in a week or less. Finally, perhaps some good news on the inventory front, at least if you're in the market for a second home at the beach. The Del Mar coastal region is the only part of the Bright MLS footprint where inventory was higher in June than it had been a year ago. The second home market has softened as people are now back to taking 1 or 2 week vacations in the summer, as opposed to being able to spend big chunks of time working remotely. Prices are still rising, but second home buyers have more leverage than they have had over the past few years. That's it for this month's Market Minutes. Check out Bright's June 2023 Housing Market Report and all of our other stats on brightmls.com. Don't forget to register for our monthly housing market webinar, which is next Thursday, July 20th. I will see you next month.